Welcome to our channel. We're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Come on in and grab a chair and sit a spell with us. If you like readable versions of all of our content, be sure to check out both of our blogs. The links to our blogs will always be in the description box below our videos.
Hey Jimo, what's for supper? Well, tonight the menu is going to be applewood bacon smoked pork loin. Okay, y'all, I bought it from the grocery store. They were the seasoned marinated pork loins. Buy one, get one free. I grabbed two. The other one is going to be for another night. It's a garlic and herb. But tonight we're going to be doing the bacon applewood smoked pork loin. Y'all, it smells good. I've got it wrapped up in aluminum foil on a baking sheet. I picked up 4 sweet potatoes. I've got them washed. I'm fixing to just cut the little tips off here and that little eye here. I'm going to put them on a baking sheet. I'm going to spear them with a fork first. Then I'm going to put them on a baking sheet. And I'm just going to let these bake until they're happy done. Okay? And that's going to be tonight's supper. We're going to load these sweet potatoes. I got some sour cream, some bacon pieces, and some Parmesan cheese. Instead of cheddar, things like that, I'm going to grate some fresh Parmesan cheese, the wedge. I'm talking the real stuff, y'all. I'm going to grate some up, and we're just going to have loaded sweet potatoes, and I got some chives over there, and we're going to just let these bake until they're done, and I'll check the internal temperature of the pork loin, then I'll check the sweet potatoes, and that's going to be tonight's supper, and I will show y'all this when we get it all plated up and what it looks like. That's what's for supper tonight.
And here we are, out of the oven. Loaded baked sweet potato and applewood bacon smoked pork loin. Y'all have to give this a try. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.